In this video, I'll discuss the best tips and tricks to get out of tier 10 and the lower tiers in general. One of the hardest things about merch by Amazon is the start, because by nature, it's a numbers game. The more designs you have up, the higher the chance you'll sell. But when you only have 10 designs, you don't really have much of a chance. So here is some actionable advice to get out of tier 10 and the lower tiers in general. Number 1, buy your own shirts. This has become a bit of a cliche, but buy your t-shirts if you can. This is the best and the easiest way to get out of the lower tiers, and this will help you rank your shirts too. Focus on trends. To get out of the lower tiers faster, you need to focus on trends and holidays because they have a huge amount of traffic, and if you rank your t-shirts, you can make crazy amounts of sales. Bring a cool trendy design concept into the trend along with new design concepts, and make sure you focus on cross-niching and sub-niching, which is what I always talk about. And this is going to help you tap into untapped niches with less competition. Find the demand. Here you want to find t-shirt buyers on social media, especially Twitter, and offer them your services. Type, for example, where can I find this t-shirt on Twitter, and you'll be surprised by the results of people looking to buy certain shirts. Definitely find your buyers first. Then go back in there and post the link to the design that they want to buy. Whose design is that? That would be your design. Check Facebook for people organizing events and offer to design for them. Focus on family reunion and weddings, etc. There's plenty of opportunity there. Instagram. Create Instagram niche specific accounts, for example, Black Lives Matter related content. Fill the account with viral content. Then when the page starts getting followers and traffic, it's time to start posting your designs. Create a Pinterest account. Put different niches in different boards, grow them, and then market your designs. Also try Pinterest ads. They really do work if you know what you're doing. Social media influencers. Contact social media influencers and propose to make merch for them and cut a deal to split the profit, or pay for a sponsorship. You can expect to make a ton of sales with social media influencers because their followers have a relationship with them and they're likely to buy a certain product that they're advertising. Just make sure you pick the right influencers. A quick announcement before I continue: I'm currently working on the most comprehensive Merch by Amazon course where I share all the secrets and actionable ways to make it with Merch by Amazon. If you're interested, register your interest. The link is in the description. Next, partner with businesses. Contact companies and ask to make merch for them and convince them that doing it with Amazon will save them a ton of money and enhance their brand exposure. Companies love to save money and get cheap advertising, so make sure you capitalize on that. Sell pop sockets and phone cases. Make sure you research and design for pop sockets and phone cases. They are easy to sell and they sell a ton of volume, hence they'll help you tier up fast. Amazon advertising. Look, I'm a big fan of organic traffic, but I do believe that Amazon advertising has its place in generating momentum for a design. So use it to rank your shirts. Start at a low bid, for example 15 cents, and increase it slowly until you get a good balance of impressions, clicks, and orders. Keep monitoring and adjust accordingly. Make sure you're in the right niche. Check if you're in good niches. They should have a good demand with a lot of low BSR results in the first page and relatively low competition. If you're in the wrong niches, do your research again and get into the right niches for you. Design quality. Get someone to check the quality of your designs. Get them to compare your designs to the competition and see if your designs are of high quality. Just remember, you have a high chance of competing if your designs are of high quality. Keywords. Check if your keywords have long tail keywords, important keywords in the title, especially at the beginning of the title, main keywords of the main niche in the brand, and primary, secondary keywords in the bullet points in a sentence that makes sense and reads well. Call to action. Make sure you have a call to action in your bullets and description. For example, use something that says buy this amazing design if you're a dog lover, for example. Make sure you have a call to action that invites customers to click on your brand to see other products, colors, designs, etc. This will help you get multiple sales from the same buyer, which is great. Price low. If you're not using Amazon advertising, consider pricing to cost in order to rank in the low to high section, and this will also increase your chances in selling your designs. This is a bit of an obvious one. Make sure you fill your slots. Don't be lazy, just design and upload the maximum you can. If a design doesn't sell, make sure you replace it with a new design. Do fresh research and change your keywords of old promising designs or listings to give them another chance to sell. Fatten up your niches. Upload products in the same niche if you make sales in that niche. Chances are you'll sell more in that niche. Get into the ready niches that I share in my paid niches subscription and make sure you cross niche in a clever way to limit your competition. For people that don't know this service, I give you a list of 6,000 main interesting niches plus weekly updates of the niches you should get into. You have many options to be different, so use them. If you're not a subscriber and are interested, click on the link below in the description. I'm going to leave you a link there. A very important thing is don't set your expectations too high. Just keep working hard, don't give up, and sales will come eventually. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Work hard on the things you can control and you'll eventually start seeing results. Your goal is to tier up fast, so don't think about profit until you get to tier 500. Don't focus on how much money you can make, focus on your input, how many quality designs you can upload. Focus on learning new skills that will allow you to improve all the moving parts involved in Merch by Amazon. For example, research, design, pricing, listing, data gathering, analysis, marketing, etc. Think about your goals in the long term. Focus on being productive. Stop comparing yourself to others, but instead focus on you and be consistent, and don't underestimate the effort required to succeed. Be a traffic magnet and scale. Again, I'm making a course where I'm going to discuss all the tips and tricks, everything I've learned in the past 3 years about Merch by Amazon and how I was able to generate over $1 million in sales in the US only. So if you're interested in the course launch, make sure you register your interest. Down below, I'm going to leave you a link in the description. And if you found this video useful, make sure you give it a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified as soon as I upload the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.